top 5 easy business ideas you can start this 2025 without breaking banks and that has high profit margins. My lovelies, in as much as I'm excited to bring you the job openings, remote jobs that you can apply and get a job as soon as possible, we also want to present you with these ideas of you becoming your own business owners, becoming an entrepreneur. Lovelies, nothing beats being your own boss. So as you are working, you are setting aside tiny fraction of your income as a savings towards creating a business for yourself. What matters is you start thinking about it, you start taking baby steps towards achieving that for yourself. If you stick around in this video to the end, you would have gotten at least one business idea that resonates with you that you can run with this 2025. And trust me, yours lovely will be here, we'll hold each other's hand and we'll get to the finish line. Stick around, do not go anywhere, and make sure you subscribe to WellPulse TV. Turn on the bell notification, share this video with your family and friends. All right, let's kick things off with number 5 on our list. This is like planting a seed in the digital world. Once nurtured with your expertise and effort, it has the potential to grow into a source of passive income, reaching and teaching countless people while you sleep. Introducing online course creation. With the rise of remote learning, online courses are booming. If you have expertise in a subject, whether it's graphic design, cooking, dog walking, or even cat training, yes, that exists, you can create a course and sell them on platforms like Udemy and Teachable. These platforms make it super easy to host, and once you're up, your work is pretty much done. You can generate passive income while you sleep. Coming in at number 4, print on demand. Think about it. No inventories, no headaches. You can design your own shirts, mugs, or phone cases using platforms like Printify, Printful, or Redbubble. Lots of them. All you need is some creativity and a good marketing strategy. You create the designs, they handle the printing and shipping. Everything can be done right on your couch. So why not get those creative juice flowing, my lovelies? Next up at number 3, it's subscription boxes. Yes, people love surprises in their mailboxes, from beauty product to snacks or even niche hobbies. Subscription boxes are a great way to get started as an entrepreneur. You don't need a lot of startup cost. Just figure out your niche and create a product. Use social media to build community around it, and boom, you got yourself a recurring streams of income. All right, subscription boxes, it's a way to transform your ordinary products into extraordinary experiences while delivering joy, convenience, surprises to people's doorstep. And at the same time, you are building yourself a recurring stream of income, revenue generation. Lovelies, what is stopping you? Sliding in at number 2, it's social media consulting. Businesses are increasingly turning into social media in order to grow, but many don't know where to start. And this is where you come in. If you are savvy about platforms like Instagram or TikTok, why not help these businesses out? You can be a problem solver right here. Create killer marketing strategies, manage their posts, and watch your bank account grow. Plus, you can work from anywhere with just your laptop. It's a dream come true. And finally, number one, it's one of my favorites, is the art of selling without the stress of handling the products, packing, shipping. Introducing drop shipping. So here is the deal with drop shipping. You can sell products online without ever touching the inventory. You partner with suppliers, sell their products on your site, and once a customer buys, they ship it for you. It's a super low cost to start. And as long as you connect customers to the product, as long as you market very well, the profit margins can be fantastic. You get to focus on building your brand while they handle the nitty-gritty. How awesome is that? My lovelies, there you have it. My top 5 business ideas to start this 2025. They are low on investment but high on profit potentials. Which one are you excited about? I hope you find one that interests you that you can run with this 2025. Let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to give these videos a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more inspiring content. Until next time, keep hustling, and I'll see you in my next video. Stay safe.